Collective, Wagwan. Hope everybody's doing great, right? So we're gonna be checking up on your energies here. This is for all signs. So yeah, you're welcome in whatever sign you are, whatever zodiac sign you are. Alright, so let's see what divine, your ancestors, my ancestors, your guides, my guides have to say. If me go get what them call it, so let me turn off this. I turn it down here. Hold on. Yeah. So guys, let's see what's going on with you. 901s. I felt this in my belly button before I turned the camera on, like, I don't know. Some sort of, something is brewing here. Something is brewing. Virgo. You guys might be a Virgo or have strong Virgo in your chart. Right? What's going on with the collective? You're in your head a lot. Your gut, someone's gut feeling is telling them something. We have the 5 of Swords and the 10 of Pentacles. So this could be about a mother figure. But this person is like a Black Widow karmic mother figure. Right? I feel like this person might be fighting or will try to fight you over some sort of family inheritance or something like that. Let's see. Oh. Or it could be, it doesn't have to be a mother figure, it could be a father figure. A male, right? You know you're gonna flip the roles, flip the gender, take what's yours, leave what's not. So I feel like someone here feels a bit weak here, or they're not doing what they need to do in order to release someone. I feel like someone is also bored in a connection here. I feel also that this person will, like, this could be you could eventually, have the guts or the courage here, because you don't have it yet. It came out like this for a reason. You don't have it yet to really cut this person off or cut this person out here, or stand up for yourself. Yeah, so this is stability being fought for, you know. This is stability being fought for. This karmic energy kind of feel like they're not enough. feel like telling you that there is not a feel. I don't feel. God is on your side though. God is on your side, whosoever this is. God is going to be blocking this energy out of your life, out of your energy field. There's someone here fighting to keep you in a position where you feel weak, where you feel like you have a lack, you know, where you always have to struggle. But you're going to get this offer, you're going to get this motivation where you're going to be able to stand here on your own 2 feet. This person, some of them are doing some sort of spell, word spell, to keep you from your keep your manifestations from coming in. For some of you, this is a third party that's collaborating with someone here. So divine is ready to take action. Yeah, divine is ready to take action for these delays here to get smashed, right? To block these delays. Yeah. I feel like you've been through some sort of spiritual hardship as well. Like, you know, the, the things that you are meant to do has become kind of hard for you, maybe burdensome to someone in a sense, you know, because you're not making as much as you thought, or maybe you're not excelling as much, or you're not getting any customers or something like that, right? In the area of where you're most like passionate about, where the area in which you do belong. I'm hearing music industry. Maybe you are supposed to bring out music here to open the eyes of the world, you know, to raise the vibration. Some of you are very spiritual, and it's like you're at the last lap here, where you're gonna receive like some sort of divine gift as well. You know, they're just asking you to have courage, have the faith to continue this path. The race is not over. You're gonna get your rewards. All right, you're gonna get this reward here. I feel like sometimes you might be confused on you know, if this path is the right path, but yes it is. Yes it is. There will be progression, you know. Continue to work hard, and I feel like your ancestors here are working hard behind the scenes here. Yeah, because they're gonna put this devil in a cage. Whosoever this person was working, or this energy was that was working against you, you know, getting what you truly deserve or what was meant for you. All right, so you see the devil here in a trap, in a cage, right? That's what your ancestors, your guides, the angel, divine. There's divine intervention here, ready, getting ready to block this karmic energy. Yeah. Yeah, you might feel burdensome right now. You're in a more like logical state of your life. You're very cold at times. like some of you, you're on the brink of giving up, but your wish here will be fulfilled. Nine of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, you're going to get this reward. You're going to be gifted, right? So get out of your head. It's coming. It's coming in quickly. All right, and this is what you don't know this. This is what's hidden from you. It's coming in. So I'm setting some sort of light here for someone to get out of their head. It's coming in for you. All right. This, yeah. Definitely a change is coming here. Mm. Yeah. So stop being fearful, because you're going to be successful. You're going to find that growth here. And don't guilt trip yourself here. Alright, so whosoever was trying to put something on you here, they're going to fail. Right? There's going to be change and there's going to be balance here. Just push through here and accept responsibility for your own like well-being. Accept that you need to push through and that this is a challenge, right? Because this change is coming. Whosoever was doing this here to make you even blame yourself will fail, because you're gonna get this growth here in whatever area of your life this is. Success is here. Stop worrying. All right, I'm gonna grab this deck. I feel drawn to grabbing this deck. What is it my collective need to know here about this situation? What is it that they need to know about this situation? You're a hustler. Yeah, I feel like I'm speaking to someone who has tried a lot of things, ventured off in a lot of things in the span of their life, but maybe nothing has worked out for you. And it's like, you put your all into knowing who you are, understanding you, healing you, and finding your purpose. And it still hasn't brought you what you thought, it would bring you. But you're gonna get a pay raise, guys. Pay raise is here. You're the right person for the job, so stop doubting yourself. You are your own blockage. Yeah, you are your own blockage. So how you think, right? How you think will perceive your future here. Government workers, so maybe some of you work for the government. I feel like maybe you would want, okay, maybe you'd want to venture off in your own stuff, your own business owner, government worker, business owner, right? Yeah. So you're going to get this success, this pay raise, this growth. Change is coming. You're the right person for this music, whatever it is. If you have a platform, whatever area of you want to venture off into, that you are passionate about, in which you feel like this is your purpose, you're going to get this reward. It's just that they were blockages, they were delays, because you know we have negative energies working against us, and I feel like for some of you, you allow that to be the blockage. You thought your thought process, you didn't clear that thought process and think positively enough, right? So this is why this card is coming out. You are your own blockage. So just think positively and know that your manifestations are coming to fruition. Some of you maybe wrote things down that you wanted, or you made a vision board. It is coming in. It's coming in at the right time. Your time and the spirit realm's time is two different times. So we have to accept that as well, right? So I hope this helped. Oh, I didn't even have my mic in, but I hope you guys were hearing. I forgot my mic. I hope you guys heard everything that I said, and I hope this reached the persons who needed to hear this. I'm leaving you with love and light. Later, I love you.